Gilda DiMartino, reading for the part of Amanda. Janie, I'm going to have to quit. I can't do this anymore. I'm an artist. I want to perform and write to inspire people with my poetry, not spend my days feeding Mr. Potato Head exotic blowfish and making pharmacy runs for his Viagra. Look at this. Yeah. He had me take this before he left for his swingers party. Check out his brand new nipples clamps. Yep, I bought those. Nice, huh? The solid gold. I took the measurements as well. Custom-made nipple clamps. This is what my life has become. Living the dream, huh? Look, I could live with the endless stream of prostitutes, the coke vials, and the 3 o'clock a.m. phone calls so I can transcribe his latest manifesto. Mama's got bills to pay, you know. But yesterday, I realized he's gone completely off the rails. I came in, and he's sitting at my desk in his tidy whities, the ones I had to buy from some specialty shop in Argentina. So he's there smoking a cigar and watching YouTube videos of my poetry shows. He starts pitching me his latest venture, a collaboration between the two of us. He says it came to him in a dream that he needed a muse. I don't actually think he knows what that word means, because if I'm writing, I'm not the muse, right? Anyway, he truly believes that destiny brought us together. I told him it wasn't destiny, it was Craigslist, but he won't listen. He's decided he's going to sell off his entire telecommunications empire and invest all his money in a Broadway musical / spoken word venture. He thinks he can get Sting and Jay-Z to come on board. He wants us both to star along with Mr. Santos. You know who Mr. Santos is, huh? Don't you? Yeah, his Rottweiler, Janie, his dog. That's who he wants me to write material for. The two of us and his damn dog. I mean, I'm not opposed to selling out if Oprah or Ellen came calling along, but there's no way in hell I can do this. What story would I tell? How would I get out of bed knowing I've sold my artistic talents for a Rottweiler? I'm an artist, right? I mean, I have to say no even if it costs me my job. Unless the pay is, like, really, really good. I mean, you know my 5-year plan has been buying that condo in Silver Lake. This could be my shot. It might actually be worth it. I'm good enough, and it could be a great venue to show my own work, spotlight my talents to a worldwide audience. Hell, if Urban Cowboy can get on Broadway, anything can. Don't you think? Cut.